Presented by Arlene Hardenstein and Patrick and Katie Ryan of Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to 1042 Jewell Avenue in Pacific Grove, California. Artfully situated in the Beach Tract neighborhood, this home was custom built in 2008 with too many amenities to count. The main house is a 2,500 square foot ocean view home with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, while there is a legal guest unit with its own separate entrance attached to the garage. The home has radiant heat, copper gutters, a fire pit, cherry wood cabinets in the kitchen, Caesar stone counters, vaulted ceilings, a 2-car garage, an oversized tub in the master bathroom, an automatic gated driveway, and ocean views from the deck, the kitchen, and the master bedroom. Walk to dinner in downtown Pacific Grove or stroll down to the ocean and watch the otters frolic in the Monterey Bay. For a private showing, call Patrick at 831-238-8116 or Arlene at 831-915-8989. We can't wait for you to see this gorgeous home.